Hey guys, this is how to fix a green share audio is not working in your Discord, so let's get into it. The first thing that you need to do is to simply open your Discord and log into your account and then click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Now you have to just scroll down and then click on the voice. Here in the voice you have to just turn off the volume up to the 100%. Right after that you have to just make sure that you have turned on the advanced voice activity. Once you done, make sure that your phone volume is also turned up to the 100%. So now moving to our second step. For the second step you have to just tap and hold on your Discord app and now click on the app details or the app info. Here click on the storage and cache. Click on the clear cache first and then click on the clear storage and then OK. So now click on the permissions option and make sure that you have permit all of, and now click on the permission and make sure that all the permissions are allowed here. So then close all of your windows and then restart your Discord app, and this time hopefully your problem will be fixed. Make sure that you have disabled the do not disturb mode in your Android phone while using your Discord. So right after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And the next method is to uninstall your Discord app for some time and after some time again install it from your Play Store, but make sure that you are connected with a reliable and stable internet connection while doing so. And sometimes it is enough to update your Discord app and your system or device to fix this error, so you must try this method as well. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.